and conversion from the analog signal to the discrete one. How many samples we are having in our discrete domain, that we are doing with the sampling operation. So discrete time signals are often obtained by sampling the continuous time signal. The very simple procedure is like this. If you are imagine a switch like this, the switch is closed at a particular frequency, right? So here my input signal is a x of t, continuous time signal x of t, and my output signal is a discrete version. So here the x of t will be taken at t is equal to n into t, the regular interval, right? So t is my capital T is my time period, and here it is the sampling period. So here, depending upon the amount, depending upon the frequency, how much time it is taking, how far, sorry, how frequently the switch closes. So depending upon that, we will have our samples in our output signal. So this is the sampling. So we are, you can imagine like this, we are picking up the samples from the continuous signal. That is the thing. So depending upon the frequency, how frequently we are taking our signal, so accordingly we will have our samples in our output x of n.